Date of approval of financial statement. The date on which all the statements that comprising the financial statements, including related notes, has been prepared, and those are recognized with the recognized authority have asserted that they have taken responsibility for the financial statement. What is the date of approval? Before taking the audit, the management will go through the books. They will go through the books. They will do all the entries. Then after they will prepare the balance sheet, pre-internal accounts, notes to accounts, and other notes. Everything will prepare. Then after the two director in a company will sign it, and in the director report they will mention it. So on the day of signing, they will say we are responsible for the transaction. We are responsible to have internal control. We are responsible for detection of fraud. We are responsible for prevention of fraud. We are responsible for all the financial transaction. They will give assurance in their report, and they will agree that all these transactions that happens are true and factually correct. They will give in the disclosure. So that is what when they are providing this assurance, then after auditor will go through the books and audit the books. That is what the day of approval of financial statement. That's the day they will. That's a day auditor statement is approved, not audited, approved by the management.